Hi everyone, this is Josh with TechZoneUK, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at how to install plugins onto our WordPress website. Now this may or may not be the last video that we create on this series. Every time I say that, I for some reason think of more ideas, which is good, I guess. So there might be more now. However, in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a look at how to install plugins, and plugins with WordPress just, go together like a knife and a fork. They just, worst analogy ever, but, they go together so well, and they add so much, functionality to your website, you'll be amazed. So basically what we're going to be doing now is we're going to take a look at installing a plugin. So what you need to do is you need to go to your dashboard. Easiest way is to go to your website.com or whatever. In this case mine is localhost/wp admin. Use the credentials that we set up in the episode 1 and then log in to your dashboard, and on the left hand side you'll see something that says plugins. What we do is we just simply put our mouse over that, and there's a little button here that says add new. We're going to click on that, and we're going to be installing a plugin that I highly recommend, that is called WP Supercache. I think that's the name of it. Basically what it does is it stores, every time a visitor goes to your website, your website has to process all the image code, all the PHP code. It has to, puts a lot of strain on the server. Whereas what this does is it creates a HTML version of your website and then delivers it to your visitors. Increase loading time, which increases your SEO, so you rank up in Google. And there's a few other benefits that you'll see in a minute. So to find this, you can either use the search for it, so we can type in WP Supercache, hit enter to search the plugins, or you can click on featured, which I was going to show you a minute ago, because it's on featured plugins. But as you can see here, this plugin generates static HTML from your dynamic WordPress blog. After HTML file is generated, your web server will serve this file instead of processing the pretty much the heavier version, as they call it, with the PHP scripts on. So what we do is we just simply click on install now, and it says, are you sure you want to install this plugin? We're going to click OK, and this is going to now do some stuff for us. It should download the plugin, hopefully anyway. It would be nice if it did. Now if you're on a web server, your downloads will probably be pretty much near enough instant, because it's in a data center, but this is hosted off my own internet, so it's being a bit slow. But what we're going to do now is we're going to click on activate plugin, and pretty much it is literally as simple as that to install the plugin. So what we need to do now is pretty much configure the plugin, and we do that by whatever this says. So it says WP Supercache is disabled. Please go to plugin admin page to enable caching. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this link. This is only specific for this plugin, by the way. For your plugin it could be completely different. You should change the permissions of C blah 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 to be more restrictive. Use your FTP client or the following command to fix things. Alright, okay. If you're using a live website, then do this. I'm not going to get into it now because I really don't want to confuse people, so I'm just going to press dismiss. And right, as you can see here, what we're going to do is we're going to click caching on, and we're going to update the status. And I can go in forever on this plugin. It's a very, very good one, and the hard thing to say is that there's so many different options that I don't want to go over it, because you're probably going to be installing a different plugin. I only install this plugin because it's a good plugin and it's an example of how to install a plugin. But basically that's pretty much it. So what we'll notice now, hopefully, as you can see here, cache pages are stored in your server's HTML and PHP files. If you need to delete them, use them below. Okay, that looks fine. Test your cache website by pressing test cache. Just click on that, and it's going to test it, and there we go. Look, it's test cache for website, checking the button below, fetching that. Prime cache is okay. Okay, that's okay. It fetched the pages, timestamp on the pages match, which is good. So now if we go to if we just refresh the page and we go to say blog and about, it should be considerably quicker at loading all the content on our web pages, because the server, e.g. us, is now cached. So you can see, look, even browsing through these pages is a lot quicker. That's probably down to web page cache on my browser side of things. But obviously, I'm just trying to explain that's how you install a plugin onto WordPress. And if you've got any plugins that you want to install and you don't know how, by all means drop a comment below and I will try my best to explain how to install them in a video. But yeah, I'm probably going to be doing a couple more videos soon on users. Menus I'm finding quite hard on this theme. I know I said in the last video that I want to go into menus. Menus allow you to edit the menu items in order here. Some themes allow it, some themes don't. But if your theme does, all you do is go to Appearance and then Menus, and you need to create a new menu. You can call it whatever you want. I generally call my main menu. Click Create, and I haven't actually gone on to there. Oh, okay. Well, maybe this does let me. But you can see here that it's saying the main menu structure. We're going to click on Top Menu. Let's have a look. Yeah, okay, that's fine. We'll click on Top Menu and we'll click Save Menu. And what we will do is we will create blog, tutorials and about, and we'll hit Add to Menu. And we'll click a link and we'll type in the link text to be home. And we'll make the URL to be just a / and click Add to Menu. And now what we can do is we can arrange these items to be in whatever order we want. So I generally want about after home. So it's home, about, tutorials, then blog. Again, it's drag and drop interface because obviously it's WordPress, so it's all drag and drop. And what we can do now is click Save Menu. And as long as this is the top menu on the theme, which I can't be too sure about, we should now have them in that order. So let's have a look. Blog, tutorials, what did we put? Tutorials, blog. This might have been impacted by, unless it put it put them up here, look. I didn't see that. So obviously we got the wrong header, so obviously we want header menu instead of top menu. So let's try that. Let's save menu. Let's refresh the page. There we go. We now edited the menu items. So I wanted to show you how to do that quickly. Basically, you can now add new items to the menu, so you can customize what pages you want on the menu, because sometimes you don't want every page you create to be along here. I mean, if you had, say, a text tutorials page, you might want that to come off of your tutorials page, so you don't want people to be able to go straight to it. Or if you had hidden pages, things like that, you don't want people to be able to just visit those pages. So that's how you stop it, and that's how you create your own menu. I know I did go over that pretty quickly, but hopefully you could follow along with what I did there. But you're only going to be able to learn by practicing and messing about and things like that, and following more tutorials, because that's the way I learned how you use WordPress. But after you've created a few websites and things like that, you'll soon know how things work. But yeah, that's probably it for this video. So again, if you did enjoy this video, then drop a comment below with any problems or questions you have. And if you want to see more WordPress videos, then click that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, click that like button, just because when you click like, I then know how many likes our video's got, and I know that to create some more or create less or whatever. So thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.